It was a cold, silent night in a small mountain village. The moonlight gently touched the rooftops, and everyone was asleep, everyone, except a wandering monk. The monk had been walking all day, spreading peace and blessings wherever he went. When night fell, he found a small hut on the edge of the forest and decided to rest there. The hut had almost nothing inside, just a mat, a bowl, and a small lantern flickering softly. As the monk was about to meditate, he heard a faint noise outside, footsteps, careful, quiet, but hurried. Within moments, the door creaked open. A thief stepped in. His eyes were dark and restless, and his hands shook slightly as he searched the hut. When he saw the monk sitting calmly, his heart raced. "Don't move," the thief shouted. I need money." The monk smiled gently. "My dear friend, I don't have any money. But you are welcome to take whatever I have." The thief was confused. He looked around, there was nothing of value. Only a bowl, an old robe, and a lantern. Seeing his disappointment, the monk stood up, removed his outer robe, and handed it to him. "Here, take this. It may keep you warm tonight." The thief froze. No one had ever spoken to him like that before, without anger, without fear. Only kindness. He grabbed the robe awkwardly and backed away. You're strange," he muttered, and disappeared into the dark forest. The monk sat back down, looking at the moon through the open door. He whispered, "Poor man. I wish I could give him the beautiful moonlight too." The next morning, the thief woke up under a tree, still clutching the robe. For the first time in years, he didn't feel hunted or angry. He felt something he couldn't name, peace. Days passed. But that one night stayed in his mind. He couldn't forget the monk's calm eyes, his gentle voice, his selfless gift. Finally, one evening, the thief returned to the same hut. The monk was sitting outside, smiling as if he'd been waiting for him. The thief knelt down, tears filling his eyes. "I don't understand why you were kind to me. I came to rob you." The monk replied softly, "Because anger cannot heal anger. Only kindness can. When someone loses their way, what they need most is light, not punishment." The thief lowered his head. "You gave me light when I only brought darkness." From that day on, the thief changed his life. He began helping the villagers, working hard, and one day, he became the monk's most devoted student. Moral: kindness is not weakness. It is the greatest strength, the power to touch even the hardest heart and guide it toward light.